Have you ever wondered if the stock market can make you rich in Nepal? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? The potential is definitely there, with the growth of the Nepalese economy and the development of its stock market. However, like any investment, it's not without its risks. The fluctuating nature of the market, the importance of diversification, and the necessity of understanding the regulatory environment are all key factors. But before you dive in, let's understand what factors influence the potential for wealth creation in the Nepalese stock market. Several factors can influence your potential for wealth creation in the Nepalese stock market. First, let's talk about growth potential. The Nepalese economy has been on an upward trajectory, and the stock market has mirrored this growth. This presents a wealth of opportunities for savvy investors. Next up is diversification. By spreading your investments across different sectors and companies, you can mitigate the risks associated with investing in individual stocks. It's like the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Then we have market volatility. Stock prices can fluctuate due to numerous factors, including economic conditions, political stability, and global market trends. It's a roller coaster ride, and you need to be prepared for the ups and downs. Another important factor is the regulatory environment. Understanding the rules and regulations governing stock trading in Nepal is crucial. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Now, let's talk about the long-term perspective. While there may be opportunities for short-term gains, the real focus should be on your long-term investment goals and strategies. Patience is a virtue in the world of stock investing. Risk management is another key aspect. This includes diversifying your portfolio, conducting thorough research before investing, and being prepared for potential losses. Finally, don't shy away from seeking professional advice. If you're new to investing or unsure about where to start, financial advisors can provide invaluable guidance. Each of these factors play a significant role in your journey to wealth creation in the stock market. So, can the stock market really make you rich in Nepal? We've explored this question from various angles, and it's clear that the answer is layered. The Nepalese stock market, like any other, holds potential for wealth creation, but it's not a guaranteed moneymaker. To recap, we've highlighted the growth potential of the Nepalese economy and its stock market. We've also discussed the importance of diversification in spreading investment risk, the inevitability of market volatility, and understanding the regulatory environment. Moreover, we've emphasized that a long-term perspective is often key to success in the stock market, and that effective risk management is critical. And let's not forget about the value of professional advice, especially if you're new to investing or unsure about where to start. So while the stock market can offer opportunities for wealth creation, it's essential to approach investing wisely. Remember, the stock market holds potential for wealth creation, but it also carries risks. Always make informed decisions and consider seeking professional advice if